If Audacity is not recording, you might see a flat line, no waveform at all, or an error when you press record. The good news is this is usually a microphone setting, permission, or device selection issue, so let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your microphone or audio interface is properly connected and turned on. If you use a USB microphone, unplug it, wait a moment, then connect it directly to a different USB port. Avoid USB hubs if possible. Next, open the Audio Setup menu near the top of Audacity. Under Recording Device, select the microphone or interface you actually want to use. If you see several choices, pick the one that matches your device name, not just the default option. While you are in Audio Setup, check Recording Channels too. Choose one channel for a single microphone, or 2 channels if you are recording a stereo source. Selecting more channels than your device supports can stop recording from starting. Now check your computer's microphone permissions. On Windows, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on, and make sure desktop apps are allowed to use your microphone. If you are on a Mac, open System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Microphone. Make sure Audacity is enabled there. If it was already enabled, turn it off and back on, then restart Audacity. Back in Audacity, click the microphone meter to start monitoring. Speak into the microphone and watch for movement. If the meter stays still, Audacity is not receiving sound, so double-check the selected input device and your system microphone level. If your microphone still does not appear, go to Transport and choose Rescan Audio Devices. Yeah, this is especially useful after connecting a USB microphone or audio interface while Audacity was already open. Once the meter moves and a waveform appears, you're ready to record again. In most cases, choosing the right input device and allowing microphone access solves the problem, so hopefully your next recording starts right away.